Hi everybody, Jeff Wilson with Guarantee RV Supercenters. I'd like to present to you this beautiful 2015 Newmar Dutch Star. The model number is 4002. This is a bath and a half floor plan. I'm not going to give you a full look around the outside of the coach, but the condition of the paint process in this coach, it's in excellent condition. And so let's take a look inside. Immediately in the cockpit, Newmar is going to have their comfort steer, computer assisted steering. It's got to have the hydraulic level up with an automatic feature to get you level when you're in camp. Nice big flat screen TV forward. This coach is equipped with a 450 horsepower Cummins diesel and built up on a Freightliner chassis. This is going to give you a lot of power. Excellent if you want to be towing something behind you. And super drivability, so you're not going to lug down real bad going up the big hills. You'll just be able to keep on rolling. Coming back, take a look at the main area. On this side of the coach we have a full wall slide out, so it's sliding the recliners, the kitchen, the fridge, and all the way back into the bedroom. And that really helps open up this living space. So across from the sofa makes a great conversation area. Both the captain's chairs will come about, and so join in, and then excellent entertainment from the recliners. So for over here, the televator just pops up and you got the TV, and if you don't want to be watching TV, then you've got the window with a dark privacy glass. Overhead we're going to have access. Let's see, we're going to have access to the air conditioning filters. So if I can get that loose, that's held up by some very strong magnets. And so then you can pull these filters out and clean them. So you've got your supply and then your return there in the air conditioning. And also a very quiet air conditioning system. So all real wood used in the manufacturing process by Newmar. And lots of little storage areas. Just a very quality built coach. Got a tile floor and looks everything very tight, very nice. And then a 110 all residential style refrigerator. So we're still doing, what do we do here? So we're still with the gas cooktop. And we'll do a microwave convection oven with that. Very nice solid surface countertops. And one large basin sink. That's a good size sink. So you'd be happy with that. And a coach this size, you do get very good storage in the kitchen area. So something we're expecting you're going to use this coach a little bit more than most people would. And so you're going to need the added little places for keeping everything stowed away. More cabinetry throughout the length there on the full wall slide. And then you get your spare potty. And that's for your guests. And then so back into the bedroom, you got a slide out switch here that's going to operate the bed slide out. And everything in the coach is going to be multiplex wiring. So touchpad, if you want to take a picture of this, just little touchpad light switches. So easy to use right there, not a lot of pressure needed. And everything on and off. And then a TV across from the master bed. That offers a king bed for great comfort. And then back into the master bathroom. Nice size shower with a bench that folds down. And back here we have a built-in safe, closet with little hanging rack up there. And then on this side, that would be plumbed. If you wanted to add a washer and dryer, you could remove the shelves, but the way it is, that would make a great linen. Another little hanger here with a fantastic fan overhead. And you're still ducted throughout all the way back into the back bathroom here. with air conditioning. So very, very nice. This coach in a 2015 has got to be rated excellent or above. So if you're interested in something like this, please give me a holler at the number below.